Have you heard that old saying about climbing the corporate ladder? You got to start from the bottom to work your way to the top. Hey guys, it's Chris Waters, and in the coaching tip of the week, I want to talk about patience. So when I first got started in real estate, the idea for me that was so exciting was this, sky high, unlimited, no such thing as a proverbial ceiling, if you will, from an income and growth perspective that excited me about being in real estate and owning a business. I didn't like the idea of having to be in a certain position with a certain title and then, being at the mercy of somebody else above me. And so the thing that I realized though, over the last 10 years is although my title hasn't changed, I've always been the owner of the real estate company and, had the quasi CEO title. I really wasn't a CEO in the beginning. I was kind of jack of all trades. But the thing that I learned is I climbed that corporate ladder. It's just not a corporate ladder. It's kind of like the ladder you've got to climb from a skills perspective to build a successful business. So for example, one of the things I identified to be a successful real estate agent was first I had to develop inside sales, like setting appointments, overcoming objections, things like that. Second, meeting people face to face, getting them committed to working with me. And third, becoming a market expert. So anyways, there's a ladder for all of us, and we have to be patient. Sometimes the grass isn't always greener. Maybe we need to really be self-aware of what those skills are we need to develop and be patient to develop those skills to find the success we want. If you found this coaching tip helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit like, comment below. Tell me about the skills you're developing to take your business or your career to the next level in the comments section, and tune in next week for our coaching tip of the week. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Bye.